Morning, my dear children. Welcome back to geography class. So, in the last few classes, we have been discussing the industries, manufacturing industries. And in the last video, we have started discussion of iron steel industry all over the world. So, today we will discuss some of the important locational factors and some other important facts about iron steel industry in India. So, here in this picture, you can see the transformation of location of iron and steel plant all over India. I mentioned earlier in the last classes also, the iron and steel plants in India are tended to locate in Chota Nagpur belt. That means the mineral belt of India where iron ore and coal are easily available. So in the beginning before 1800 AD, iron and steel industry was located where raw materials, power supply and running water were easily available. Okay, so later the ideal location for the industry was near coalfields and close to canals and railways. As it is a heavy industry, the raw material as well as the finished goods are heavy in nature. The transportational facility should be very easy. So the location tended to concentrate near coalfields and also close to canals and railways. And later, after 1950, iron and steel industry began to be located on large areas of flat and near seaports because the high quality iron ore has to be imported from foreign countries. So, port facilities play an important role in transporting iron and steel, both raw materials and finished products. Okay, so this is because by this time steelworks had become very large and iron ore had to be imported from overseas. So this is the transformation of location of iron and steel plants over time. Okay. So in the last few classes, we have been discussing the industry's locational factors of industry successes. So this iron and steel industrial location is influenced by so many factors such as raw materials, then water, market facilities, then transportational facilities, both port means water transport and also on land transport, then availability of cheap labor, then energy. All these are the locational factors or influencing factors of location of an iron steel plant in India, not in India, all over the world. So uh, in India, iron steel industry has developed taking advantage of raw materials, cheap labor, transport and market. So all the important steel producing areas sorry are situated in a region that spreads over 4 states. Okay, like West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. That means the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. So let us have a look. So here is the map which shows the iron and steel plants in India. You can see this particular belt, this Chota Nagpur Plateau region is having a high concentration of iron and steel plants. So some other plants are also there in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Except these two states, the important steel producing iron and steel producing states are West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. So let us have a look at the important steel producing companies in these areas. Okay, so first of all, the first iron and steel plant in India was established in Jamshedpur in the state of Jharkhand. Okay, it was the first iron and steel plant. Okay, so Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited or TISCO. This is a private sector industry. So this was the first iron and steel plant in India. It was set up in the year 1907 at Sakchi near the confluence of rivers Subarnarekha and Karkai in Jharkhand. So later this place Sakchi was renamed as Jamshedpur. Okay, you know the place Jamshedpur. Then which is the capital of Jharkhand? Do you know? Yes, Ranchi, of course, Ranchi. So this is Jharkhand. This is the Jamshedpur plant, TISCO. So it was set up in the year 1907 by Jamshedji Tata. Okay, geographically, Jamshedpur is the most conveniently situated iron and steel center in the country. So this is the first iron and steel plant in India. It was set up by Jamshedji Tata. Then in the year 1907, at Sakchi in Jharkhand. Later the place was renamed as Jamshedpur. Okay, so after this, so many public sector iron and steel producing companies were set up. They were by the government. That means these companies are owned and controlled and also managed by the government of India. Okay, so let us have a look the important steel producing regions. So first one we have starting from Chhattisgarh. So here Bhilai steel plant is here in Chhattisgarh. Then Rourkela is here in Odisha. Then Bokaro in Jharkhand. Durgapur and Burnpur in West Bengal. So Durgapur and Burnpur in West Bengal. Bokaro in Jharkhand. Then Bhilai and Rourkela in Chhattisgarh. Okay, so these are the important steel producing region. Sorry, by mistake I mentioned that Rourkela is in Jharkhand, so Chhattisgarh, sorry, it is in Odisha. So there are some collaborating countries for this steel producing companies. So let us have a look which are the important collaborating and it means helping foreign help from different countries. So this so we are starting from Bhilai steel plant. So Bhilai steel plant is located in Chhattisgarh. Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. It is assisted by USSR, former USSR. Okay, or Russia or former USSR. Then next one is Bokaro steel plant in Jharkhand. It is collaborated by, yes, of course, by Russia or former USSR. Then next one is Rourkela, that is in Odisha, and it is managed or it is assisted by, yes, Germany. Then the last one, Durgapur steel plant in West Bengal, it is collaborated by Britain or UK. So these are the important public sector and steel undertakings which are assisted by foreign countries. Okay, Bhilai, it is located in the state of Chhattisgarh. It is assisted by Russia. Then Bokaro in Jharkhand by Russia. Rourkela in Odisha by Germany. Durgapur in West Bengal by UK or Britain. These are the important public sector iron and steel company, that means integrated iron and steel plant or large scale iron and steel production is done in these companies. Except these states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu is having a very producing a very lower production of iron and steel in India. Example, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, then Vijayanagar and Bhadravati in Karnataka, and Salem steel plant in Tamil Nadu. Okay, is it clear? The location, this is in Karnataka, Vijayanagar and Bhadravati in Karnataka, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, and Salem in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this is the iron and steel companies located all over India, producing states, the important iron and steel plants, etc. Is it clear for you? Okay, please read the textbook. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Please do messages or call me. Okay, so all the important steel producing centers such as Bhilai, Durgapur, Burnpur, Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokaro are situated in a region that spreads over 4 states. I mentioned it. Which are the 4 states? West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Except these, Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Salem in Tamil Nadu are other important steel centers utilizing local resources. Okay, so that's all for today. Please go through the textbook. It is very small topic I have chosen for today's class. Please go through that. So we will discuss the remaining portion in the coming classes about TISCO. Okay, thank you.